see a smile worn on my face. I have benefited so much from a training from Monday to today for 4 days. A training organized by Edify. It has expanded my knowledge ability. I have a wider scope now, and as far as technologies are concerned, I can explore the world in a few minutes and know very many things. I have gone e-learning. I have widened my knowledge ability in YouTube. I can organize my classes as a teacher of English language and literature, organize my classes without having my children physically in class, and I can really help them achieve their dream. I am happy and I appreciate Edify's organization and sessions of teaching to enable me increase my skills in technology, in computer knowledge, and the world over. I'm going to use this in my office management as deputy teacher St James Secondary School, as a teacher of English language and literature, even to earn a living and to build the world through the gifts the Lord has given me. Thank you so much for listening.
On behalf of all the trainees and on my own behalf, I awfully thank the Edify group trainers who have taken us through the e-learning teaching. It has been so helpful to us as teachers who are now transforming to the new curriculum that we are to embrace and enroll in the near future. We really thank the organization that organized this, because we have achieved greatly and we are able to take our children through e-learning. We appreciate the organization for adding value unto us, for I know that we have been enriched. We have been also given more knowledge about computer devices and many technologies that we have been not knowing, and we believe that we shall conduct our lessons and all what we need to go through using technologies well. We once again thank the Edify group for taking us through, because we feel that as the learning outcomes relayed as we began, we have achieved them, and we feel we are able to go out and assimilate the same information to our friends, to also have and embrace technology, and more especially new technologies of teaching our trainees using e-learning. I once again thank you for taking us through the e-learning session.